Revenge is sweet, on the street, understand me. Gotta retaliate, get it straight. Locate the nigga's family, and I'm rolling in my deep top speed. Ready to pull the trigger on any bitch ass nigga who got weed. They kill my homie and I'm restless, gotta get him back. A nigga with a Mac and a death wish, tears in my eyes, don't cry. Look up in the sky, wonder why. Do everybody gotta die? Another soldier in the casket, can't eat and can't sleep till I bury the bastard. His family is falling into pieces. His mama don't understand the madness. I can't explain the drama, and it hurts the most when it's someone closer. I smoke weed cause I'm losing hope, and any dope can see the ghetto's full of drug dealers, and ain't nobody born a killer, born a killer, born a killer. Mine's in jeopardy, my thoughts are past. I know I'll die soon, so there's no need to act. How will my homeboys remember me? Worry me a G, casket full of Hennessy. We thug life niggas, watch. Mine's in jeopardy, my thoughts are past. I know I'll die soon, so there's no need to act. How will my homeboys remember me? Worry me a G, casket full of Hennessy. We thug life niggas. It seems I can't turn back. I'm walking around strapped, can't sleep. My enemies won't be back. Call my mama and they scream drama. Could it be? Don't they know that they fucking with a G? I'm going to sleep, but with my eyes open, I'm getting high, and I pray that when I go, I can die smoking. Go to the funeral, my homie's dead, passed away. Got caught up in the wrong place, got blasted. Hey, that's just another part of being black. It ain't no thing, but if you slang, then you better watch your back, cause these motherfuckers love to see you gone. Gotta stay strong, young brother, cause it's on. And now I'll be slinging these things till the break of dawn. Gotta make my ends, hey, then it's time to take it home. I got some witches on my pager, it's major. Let me play it like a game of fucking Sega. Time to wake up 2 in the morning.